Welcome to the Sunny New Effect, and today I'm going to expose StarClick. StarClick is an online advertising agency which promises to pay you when you click their ads which have been given to you. I'm going to show you if it's real or not. If you remember, sometimes on my channel, if you are a ardent follower of my videos, you will see in one of my videos where I recommended you to use StarClick to make money for yourself by just clicking simple ads which are being given to you as a publisher when you sign up. Of course, I did cash out some of my money made as a premium member. Definitely, when you sign up, you're going to be given some free ads which are not up to 7 or 10, which you will click every day and you make a little more. But where the big money is when you upgrade to the gold membership and you have ads of like 100 ads a day. All you got to do daily is just log in your StarClick account, make the click, and you click on advert by pushing traffic to the advertiser's website. That's all. It's as simple as ABC. But to withdraw the money, their withdrawal process is so tedious. I did recommend it for my fans, my viewers, my readers, everybody on my channel. As genuine as it is, StarClick is able to pay you close to $1 a day. Yes, their payment is factful. But one thing about StarClick is, where they got it wrong is you need to have $50 before you can withdraw to your PayPal, to your Bitcoin, to your bank transfer, Western Union. I use PayPal. Okay, fine. I got up to $50. I upgraded to the gold membership. That was about I think $24 for good membership, but something there is on the platform. Okay, I got up to, I made $50 or more, clicking every day, non-stop. I didn't rest. Every morning I wake up, I click, I make sure I achieve the daily click. Okay, I got up to 60 something dollars. I was able to withdraw, I think $15. I'm going to show you in my slide. I was able to withdraw $15, $5, and $5. For what? You can't withdraw $50 at once, which is the minimum payout. You can't withdraw $50 at once. The moment you demand for $50, an email is going to be sent to your email address demanding for two awkward things: your tax ID certificate and your ID card, either international or live license or national ID card. Now, not everybody have a tax ID certificate, but I was able to get mine because I have a registered company. I was able to get a certificate and photocopied it to them, and I sent it to them before they were able to release $5 to me, while I requested for $50. No, can you imagine? I requested for $50, they gave me $5. Then another time, I still went ahead and requested again the same thing. I submitted the same document. Another $5 to my PayPal was sent. Then the third time, another $5 to my PayPal was sent. See, the money was shortened to $47. Now I can't withdraw anything because it is not up to $50 again. So I can't withdraw anything. My $47 is there, hooked up on StarClick. And now the most annoying thing is that you can't upgrade. Okay, now I want to use my money to pay for upgrade for a good membership, so I can continue and build my daily click and do my task daily and get on board to head down to 50 or above 50 a bit, so that I can withdraw continuously, even if the $5 as they choose to give the payout rates to $5. When you request more than that, they just pay you $5 together, coupled with the awkward documentation needed. Right now you can't upgrade. I don't know what's up with StarClick. I'm going to show you in my slide all my activities on the platform, the money I made, and presently I can't withdraw. What do I do? StarClick, is it genuine or is it scam? As for me, I would say it is it's not a scam. It's not a scam, but they need to work on their payment platform. They need to work on their verification or documentation platform whenever we cash out. It's very bad, man. It's very bad. StarClick. So, everybody, check out my videos. Check out my slide. StarClick, you owe me. You owe me. And maybe some other people that are also in all over the world. You owe all of us. Okay, now let's log into our starclicks account and let's see if we can cash out. I'm about to log in right now. So this is our dashboard. That's my account balance of $61 of all the ads I've clicked. You can also see it here. $61 I've made. Okay, let's head down to cash out. I'm sure this is how to click ads. This is how to click ads, which can give you money. Show it in my previous videos. Now this video I'm making today is all about me withdrawing. Let me see how the withdrawal process is of StarClick. Let me click a few ads. Let me see, because my membership, my good membership, have expired yesterday, so I'm about cashing out. Let me see if I'm gonna get paid. Okay, so let me click the few ads I have. Yeah, this is just how you click ads and earn from StarClick. Now, okay, let me go to withdraw. Okay, let me head down to the withdrawal section and withdraw my $61. Request payout. Let's go to request payout. Okay, I've my payments method, I want bank transfer. The minimum payout is $50. I've already passed the minimum payout, which is, you can see my bank account is there. So I'm requesting $61.93. Transfer cost 0. So let me see. I click transfer. Let me see what will go on next. Okay, we need more information about you. We have sent an email asking you what you need to provide. Please check your email. Let me go to my email. Okay, they said, okay, during the verification of your account, it has come to our attention that your economic profile was not fully filled. Therefore, we kindly ask you to print out, fill it in, sign to it with a pen and marker, and send it back to us attached to this email. We will also need the following letter document. Please prepare them and send them back to us. These are the documents they need before they can give me my payment. They said I should fill my economic profile form. That is just like a profile I need to fill. A scan ID passport of an official translation in English. That is, they just need an ID card that is in English. A proof of address, a phone bill, electricity bill, bank statement, or credit card statement, anything that has a proof of address, good. And a tax authority commission, a confirmation letter from your tax office confirming your tax status. These are the 4 documents they need before they can pay me my money. So fellas, that is how it is. Up to today, I can't upgrade. Whenever I click upgrade, as you can see, I'm still here with my $47. My earning is still $47. I can't withdraw because I need to have more than $50 so that I can make a withdrawal. And whenever you make a withdrawal, you won't be paid the same amount you withdrew. You will be given $5 per withdrawal, which is very bad. Whenever, okay, I want to make an upgrade right now, I click upgrade. You can see it says, unfortunately, account upgrade is not available as the number of daily limit for account upgrade has been reached. Ever since it has been reached, this is what you get. I want to use my $47 to upgrade for one of these membership, one of the membership, a gold membership, so that I can possibly be clicking ads and earn. It won't allow me upgrade. I just don't understand StarClick these days. Let me browse through some other part of StarClick. The payout, you can see 47, minimum payout $50. I need to have it. Once I click 47, I won't be able to withdraw. Okay, let me see. Let me try and withdraw 47 to my PayPal. Okay, I transfer. You will see this is what it writes. Warning, you have reached the minimum. You need to reach the minimum payout amount before requesting a transfer, which is 50. Okay, I want to upgrade. It won't allow me to upgrade. You see, unfortunately, account upgrade is not available. So starclicks should endeavor to let us upgrade our account so that we can be able to withdraw $5 as they have programmed it in the auto payment section. So at least with that, this is our payout. This is my payout request. This is it. You can see I withdrew just 3 times. As you can see, the 3 times I withdrew 555. Evidentially, you can see it, $555, and I still have $47. So what this video tells us is starclicks is genuine as well on the way I see it, but they need to work on their payment system and let us be able to upgrade so that we can meet up our account payments and withdraw our payments. These are the ads you click for today. If I had made my upgrade, I'll be able to see more than 4 ads. At least those ads will be premium ads, which I will be able to click and earn higher. So these are just 4 ads, and it doesn't make sense to me, and so we should be allowed to upgrade. That is my only aim of making this video, so that we can withdraw, and they should stop choking us with their Herculean requests whenever you make withdrawal, economic profile, and the rest of this documentation. They should stop choking us with that. If you find any value in this video I've made for those of us that are earning online with starclicks, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I still have some more videos to drop about starclicks while we wait for the upgrade to start working. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe also, and share to friends as well. While I see you on the next video.